It's a bit sloppy, but it works. I think I'm gonna end up putting more gap between the wire. It's supposed to be, the flux is, it halves, the flux density halves with the square of the distance, which means you're looking at about roughly 1 to 1.5 times the wire's width in gap to make for an effective antenna. But this is kite string and 28 gauge wire. Does not have that center ground, or the ground right there. It's just a loop. Still have a little bit of a flaky potentiometer in the front, but I got plenty of volume. I'll make another video with some of the math behind it, what little math of it I know. But yeah.